Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Every Wednesdays and Saturdays we have a new videos. Today I have a new video with my dog. Her name is Candy and she's a Coton de tulear and we are going to the bookstore. Es que está lloviendo, nene. Ok, vamos a la tienda, nene. No, 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 ¿por qué?
No, ahí dice que no.
Uy, nos agarró la lluvia.
¿Hay lluvia afuera?
Sí.
Vamos a dar una vuelta como quiera.
¿Mi papá ha venido?
No,
Pero, ¿dónde, en qué área la puedo encontrar? ¿Business? Ay, te mojaste, mami. Entremos al baño. Al baño. Al baño, mujeres. Vamos, let's go. Hi friends! If you see my dog, Candy is very sociable. She doesn't bark to people, strangers or other dogs. She loves walks and discovers inside of any store that we go. She loves to go to the shops with me, with my husband, with my family. The store staff asked me if my dog was a service dog and I say no because she's not a service dog. So I had to leave the store with Candy because my dog is not a service dog, so I understand. She was nice to me, so it's okay. But you know what? I was happy inside because I recorded a video for you guys. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on my social networks and activate the notifications to be able to see my new videos every week. See you next time. Bye bye.